Okay, so yes, we are live again. Sorry for the technical glitch. There was a real bad network issue. Uh, and let's see if, yeah, Kaveri can join again. Um I'll just search her. Just 1 minute. Okay. Okay, I'm just seeing, yeah, is Kaveri will be joining us shortly. Uh, okay, I'm just waiting once she joins back in. Please pour in the question. Yes, Kaveri's previous life has been saved. So the previous life, I'm saying, the previous life which we did with Kaveri, it's saved. And I'm just waiting once Kaveri joined. I've already informed her. Let me just whether just check if she has seen my message or not. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So I think she will just send me the request. I'm just messaging her to send the request. We just need your little patience. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. I think she has not sent the request, but she will be. Yeah, so all the questions which were left unanswered, please, if you can just send the questions once again. Uh, yeah, she has not. Yeah, okay. Remember what was the question which we were talking about? I hope there's no technical glitch, an internet issue, and yes, the issue was from my side, I think, because yeah, yeah. Hello.
Hi, what went wrong? I think there was some
Yeah. There was actually a network issue from my side, but so sorry for that. And just few. So we'll be taking the live from where you exactly left. So we are saying something about that your favorite dance sequence from Ye Rishte Pyar Ke. So yeah, if you can say something. No, actually you were saying about how Ritwik helps you to be a better dancer, something like that. So if you can say from that.
yeah.
Hmm.
I learn a lot from him. So I see him move so swiftly and then I catch on
Right.
immediately.
Right. Okay. So, Kaveri, someone has also asked you what are the type of preparations which you go through in order to make sure that you portray the character of Kuhu in a right manner.
Uh, so basically, I think I perform scene wise because
Hmm.
my character is very layered. So every
Hmm.
scene demands different kuhu. So
Hmm.
it depends on the kind of scene that has been written, and also what as an actor, what as a character it
Hmm.
demands from me.
Hmm.
So yeah, I tap onto my emotional memories, need
Hmm.
be. I do that, and apart from that, to get into that energy of kuhu,
Hmm.
I also do some theater exercises in my
Oh.
vanity.
Yeah. Which is great.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So fans also wanted to know that what was your first impression when you started when you met these three people, Shahir, Ria, and Ritvik, and because Shahir and Ria was someone, especially Shahir, who already had a very good amount of line of work. So were you nervous initially to perform a certain scene with him, or were you always comfortable working with Shahir?
Uh, do you remember the first scene? I think all my fans would clearly remember
Hmm.
that scene. Jo
Hmm.
Chhat Mein it was shot, that was mine and Shahid's first scene.
Okay.
So I was extremely nervous,
Hmm.
and it was being shot at like 9 o'clock at night,
Hmm.
and we had this time limit. Like
Hmm.
by 10, we had to get done with the scene,
Okay.
and it was like a lot of give and take in
Mm-hmm.
that scene, and that was my first scene, and I was very scared. Trust me,
Right.
and I don't know somehow. I also believe that अगर सामने वाला एक्टर अच्छा है तो it helps you
Hmm.
act well as well. So yeah, I
Hmm.
think because of that, I think the scene came out really well, and people loved our chemistry
Right, right.
as
And
hashtag
hmm.
we.
Yeah, okay. And what about Ria? When you people started, performing scenes with each other, I mean, were you people really easy to gel with? I mean, starting say, or you people took your own time and then you gelled?
I think initially, yeah, gelling. Abhi starting में तो
जी जी.
we have
Hmm.
our inhibitions, like
Hmm.
even the character is being set up
Hmm.
in the initial days. So
Hmm.
at that time, I think we did not think much on those lines.
Hmm.
Rather than we both were all ears to our director and trying to grasp what he wants us to do. And even
Right.
Rajan sir was there on the set.
Hmm.
So yeah, initially though the work was between like for our own developing our own
Hmm.
characters, and then when actually the chemistry part came in, then I think हम like बहुत अच्छे से gel हो चुके थे.
Hmm.
We
Hmm.
had
Hmm.
already gelled up well, and yeah, that sister bond was there between us
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
off camera. So
Okay.
so I think it.
Okay, and what about Ritvik? Your first impression, when you initially started working with a, were you like, taking efforts that because any which ways आप लोग का starting, it was not a very makhan thing नहीं था. You people had your own fight sequence, your misunderstanding thing. So how did it went with Ritvik?
I think with Ritwik, I was very comfortable. मेरा पहला
Hmm.
scene Ritwik के साथ, apart from that sports car वाला thing,
Hmm.
our
Hmm.
first scene was that holy sequence where we both get drunk and
Hmm. Technical glitch. I don't know from. I think it's yeah, yeah.
uh,
Sorry,
so
the
yeah, I was
network
very
went off
comfortable with
actually.
Ritwik from the
Hmm.
very first because
Hmm.
initially मेरे और Ritwik के scenes काफी light and fun loving scenes used to come up.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
we just loved performing it. We enjoyed performing it, and that's how the chemistry started building up.
Right, right.
And it
Okay.
really helped us build the chemistry eventually.
हम्म. Okay, someone asked from all the ये रिश्ते प्यार के है सेट्स आप सबसे ज्यादा किसके क्लोज है कौन से क्लोज स्टार के साथ ज्यादा क्लोज है
सबसे ज़्यादा close, like
हम्म.
everyone in fact. कोई ऐसा नहीं है. Like I share different chemistry, different bond with different
हम्म.
actor.
हम्म.
Like with my mom, Pooja Joshi. She is behind the screen also. Like I treat her like my
हम्म.
mom because she's so caring and I get a different vibe from her, like a very
हम्म.
good motherly vibe from her.
Right.
And Jasmeet is like a best friend. I can
हम्म.
share anything with her.
हम्म.
She's like my confidant.
हम्म.
And with Ria, she's like my buddy, best buddy. Even Shahir is like my best buddy. Ritvik is also like very good friend,
हम्म.
and everyone else.
Everyone, you can't choose
Oh,
one basically.
yeah, can't just
Okay, okay, just take there's some fans who are asking if we can take their names. So Komal, Ria and Krishna, so if you can take name of these three girls please.
hi Komal, hi Ria, hi Krishna. Hope
Okay.
you guys are doing
Uh,
well and staying positive and super happy.
Right. Okay. So the question is, if Ritvik is in a live chat, and if you can ask one question to Ritvik during that live chat, what would be that question?
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
I think I'll ask him
Hmm.
like how does he manage to come up with such witty
Hmm.
captions?
Hmm.
Yeah, like Instagram captions because I'm very bad at those. So
Right.
I really admire those people who can, even though he is not very, like an extrovert, but then he comes
Hmm.
up with such amazing quotes and
Hmm.
amazing punchlines. So I think he's
Right.
very inherently smart.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Right. Okay. If
So
you can,
I'm gonna ask him.
yeah, if you can take, if you can have one word for all of your three co-stars, what would you use one word to describe their personality? First is Ria.
First is Ria.
Hmm.
She's like quantiest detachment.
Hmm,
You know,
hmm,
she treats everyone with kindness,
hmm.
but with detached
Right,
perspective as well.
right.
Okay, so for Shahid, adventurous and
Hmm,
very outgoing.
hmm,
Yeah, I see him like that and very positive and bubbly and
hmm,
gelling with everyone like me.
hmm, hmm,
And Ritvik, as I said, he's very smart, like
hmm.
inherently smart.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a. Please ask her if she can say any dialogue of Kareena Kapoor from Jab We Met, as we think Kohu's character is slow, close to Geet.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me think.
Yeah. No. Do you want me to help?
No,
अच्छा.
yeah,
Okay.
no,
Cool.
no, no. I think I know. एक तो
Okay.
उसका
Cool.
फेवरेट है, मैं अपनी फेवरेट
Okay.
हूँ.
हाँ हाँ.
और एक और है, you know, अगर अगर मैं अंशुमन के साथ नहीं होती, तो क्या पता, शायद मैं भी तुमसे पट जाती. I mean,
Right.
just imagine.
That was great.
Yeah.
That was great.
Two
Okay.
of my favorite dialogue. Like, मैं अपनी
Hmm.
favorite हूँ और ये.
Right.
मैं
Okay.
भी तुमसे पट जाती.
Any word for cuckoo pages, cuckoo fan pages?
Yeah, I think I already said that they are as sweet as Cuckoo themselves. Sweet
Hmm.
yet very smart,
Hmm.
and I love their quotes that they write so beautifully and so so emotional quotes. I mean, it just touches my heart. I start feeling for Cuckoo and Cuckoo so much after reading their quotes and everything, their
Right.
thoughts on Cuckoo.
Right. Right.
So they are just so intelligent.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just conveying a fan message. They want you and Ritvik to do a live chat session. So anything, if it's in progress, or you will do you will do. So anything on that.
We are trying
Hmm.
to connect in that front. But
Hmm.
as you can see, this quarantine period, especially, when I
Right.
am here, not with my family, but he is with his
Hmm.
family. So
Right. Right.
he has
Hmm.
some family obligations and timings and stuff like
Hmm.
that. So I think
Hmm.
that's that might be possible, but like we are trying. Don't
Right.
lose
Right.
hope, guys.
Okay. Okay. Someone has asked, what is your favorite cuckoo scene, like which you performed and you think that went really well?
Cuckoo scene.
Hmm.
Cuckoo scene. I think all of them, yeah.
Hmm.
Especially the ones in which I used to scold him.
Hmm.
Like, I remember a scene जब my dadu and dadi were having their anniversary और वो आता है and I pull
Hmm.
him in the courtyard and I tell him that, how dare you come
Hmm.
to my
Hmm. Hmm.
house and what do you think? They don't think that you are their son-in-law and whatever. So I think
Hmm.
that scene was really well. Like there was very good give and take in that scene. And apart from that,
Hmm.
lot of scenes. I mean, not
Right.
all the
Right.
scenes.
Right.
One of the scenes was like जब मैं
Hmm.
कुणाल को कहती हूँ कि तुम्हारे पास मुझे देने के लिए और है ही क्या. Even that
Hmm.
scene was like beautifully shot also, and it
Hmm.
was all one take.
Hmm.
Like वो
Hmm.
भरना, bag बंद करना, and like everything was like one take. So that was a very beautiful scene.
Right.
I
Right.
enjoyed performing it as well.
Hmm. Okay. The second question is, what are her fitness secret and what kind of workout she is doing at home?
Oh, nice question. I'm gonna tell you, and I seriously gonna
Hmm.
answer this question because I
Hmm.
have been working a lot on that front, and which I obviously needed to, and luckily
Hmm.
I got so
Hmm.
much time. So
Hmm.
I make a point that I climb 360 stairs every day. That is without fail. Even if I some like days which I decide not to work out and take a leave,
Hmm.
that day also I make a point that I climb 360 stairs. Then apart from that, I'm doing yoga basically and body weight exercises. And
Hmm.
yoga mein Surya Namaskar is my favorite. So I like do 25 Surya Namaskar every day without fail.
Hmm.
Even if I don't
Hmm.
miss out on doing body weight exercises someday, but I do make sure that I do Surya Namaskar and climb 350 stairs. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Name one food which she'll eat from outside after the lockdown is over.
After the lockdown is over, I think lockdown has made me realize that घर पे भी अच्छा खाना बन सकता है and
Hmm.
you need not go outside to eat good stuff. But I think
Hmm.
after lockdown, I really wanted to eat pani puri and chaat, but then I think it
Hmm.
won't be safe to immediately go
Hmm.
out and eat those stuff. So I think I'll settle with pan fried noodles in some
Right.
good
Right.
restaurant.
Okay. Okay. I remember when I was interviewing Ritvik, and I told her to just say any weird thing or imitate. Actually, I told him if you can imitate one of your co-actor, and he imitated you. And he said that how Kaveri says her, yeah, that thing. So anything about Ritvik
Oh,
you
yeah.
want to imitate or you want to say about imitate basically anything.
Ritvik, okay, I would like to say something that
Hmm.
Ritvik, वो आंखें नहीं झपकता बिल्कुल वो he
Acha.
literally stares in your eyes
Mm-hmm.
to build that connection.
Right.
So even like I am also a very good eye fighter. So
Hmm.
it's literally in the scene we are like both are eye fighting.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, this is one thing which I've seen Ritvik आंखें नहीं झपकता.
Japkata. Okay. What kind of
Very
scenes?
झपकता.
Okay. What kind of scenes does she find the toughest to perform?
Um, See, no scene is tough actually. It
Hmm.
might be challenging, but it's not tough. It's challenging to bring out real emotions, but that's the job of an actor. So, like, I
Hmm.
try to be as real and as authentic, as uninhibited with my
Right.
performance, especially
Mm-hmm.
with those scenes.
Hmm. Okay. Who is Kaveri's favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Neha Kakkar
Okay.
and also Arman Malik, Arijit Singh.
Okay. Okay. Someone has asked, and this is, I think it's a very good question. Ask her if she is satisfied with her role and Kuhu's growth in the show.
Yes, of course. See, I am a person who is never satisfied. I'm very
Hmm.
hard to uh, uh, be convinced and stuff. So I really don't settle until I reach perfection. I
Hmm.
think Kuhu as a character is growing, and now is not the right time to judge whether
Right.
she has
Hmm.
grown and like how much will she grow eventually. I think
Hmm.
yeah, she has like come her age and everything, but let's see what happens in the future.
Right. Okay. Someone has asked that if you can if there's a film, okay, and there are a lot of great romantic films. So, do you think any film which would be apt for Cuckoo? What would be that film for their chemistry?
I think जब भी मैं and
Mm-hmm.
um, and कभी yeah.
Okay. Cool. A song which you want to dedicate for Ritvik.
I
Ritvik has dedicated a song for you, by the way. That is Ladki Badi Anjani Hai. So, any song which you want to dedicate to
Okay,
him?
I'll dedicate. हाय
Hmm.
हाय रे हाय ये लड़का
Hmm.
हाय हाय रे हाय करता नादानिया क्यों देखो तो हाय कभी हमसे लड़ता है
That.
कभी चलता है ना 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 ना, ये लड़का है दीवाना या परफेक्ट
Okay, Kulka. We are just going to take last few questions. What has been the fondest memory? Again, the three people are there with Shahid, Ria, and Rizvik. The fondest memory, which if you ever thought about these people, the memory is there right on your tongue and on your mind. So first, we'll go with Ria.
आई थिंक टू memories, स्पेशली एक तो भुज का where we all
Hmm.
had met for the very first time, and we discussed a lot of things, on the table, like what were our first impression of each other.
Right.
So
Right.
I think that is something which comes to my mind, and also that scene where I was drunk and I was going to jump ऊपर से jump करने वाली थी, and there were Shahid,
Right.
Riya, Ritvik. So I think we
Hmm.
had a great time shooting that scene. So
Hmm.
it was fun.
Right. Okay. And about Shahid, so you have to name for Shahid, Ritvik, and all these two people also.
Yeah,
Yeah. No, the
I told
fondest
her.
memory. Okay. Okay. I think there was some network issue. So can you just add for Shahid and Ritvik? I think there was network issue. We can't hear you.
अरे हाँ, the same. See the memory I told you. एक तो
Hmm.
पहला वाला भुज का, where we all
Hmm.
sat on the table and we discussed about the first impression we had of
Okay.
each other.
Okay.
So that was
Hmm.
one memory which I remember like very
Hmm.
vividly. And secondly, when we shot for that sequence where I was drunk and
Hmm.
Shahir and Riya were trying to convince me not to jump,
Hmm.
and then Ritvik comes. So
Hmm.
we that scene was being shot in mud, and it was a
Hmm.
beautiful location and bungalows.
Hmm.
So we had fun shooting there. We played a lot of games and discussed a lot of
Right.
things. So yeah, that was another memory that
Okay.
I have with them.
Okay. Samana, what is your parents' reaction on your recent success?
My parents' reaction, um, they are very happy,
Hmm.
but they don't make me feel like I have done something big in my life.
Right. Right.
They keep telling me that beta there's lot to achieve now. Even my brother is like, "Acha, itna hi. Oh, you were satisfied this month with this much? Come on, I
Right.
expected more from you." So I'm like,
Right.
yeah, okay. So basically, my people helps me keep grounded, much grounded all the time.
Right. Right. Okay. Kaveri, we are going to the last question. Okay. I just wanted to ask that, since you told that the journey has been tough, what has been the most challenging and difficult phase for you as an actor and as a
Hi, I missed out the
yeah,
question
yeah.
because of the
So
network.
I wonder, as you said that your journey was, any which way tough. I wanted to ask what was the most difficult and challenging phase for you as an actor and as an individual?
Most challenging. I
Hmm.
think every day is challenging as an
Right.
actor, to be
Hmm.
very frank, because you never know what kind of scenes you are gonna thrown
Hmm.
up with
Right.
every day. So,
Hmm.
but that's the fun. That's the fun
Hmm.
of being an actor. But puri journey में the most difficult part was, I think, to keep giving audition,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
despite
Hmm.
no response. Initially, like I did not receive any kind of response from the auditions I gave, so I was very doubtful. Like I had no clue, ki, how am I doing? Am I
Hmm.
even doing it right? So I think when you're not when I think you're confident but still confident,
Hmm.
that's the kind of feeling which I had gone through in my struggle phase, and I think that was the most difficult time.
Right,
Like
right,
I,
right.
I tried to be confident. I did not know whether I was doing right or wrong, but I had to be like confident. I had to project myself as a confident person because that I wasn't left with any option.
Right,
So I
right,
think
right.
that was difficult.
So, Kaveri, year from now, I mean, obviously you are, but anything which you have planned for you as an actor, or any specific characters you that soon.
Hi,
Yeah,
can you
you missed the
repeat the
question.
question,
Yeah,
please?
so my question was that anything which you have planned as an actor, like we have some planning about our personal and professional life. So, as an actor, have you planned that this is the
Hi.
stage which I want to reach? Maybe sooner or later, and these are the specific characters which I want to do. So anything which you have planned right now?
I really, I do, as I told you, I really thrive upon doing characters which are more conflicting than I am. So I think anything which is challenging, which is different from who I actually am in real life, I would love to do those kind of uh, films, especially films or series or television, anything.
Right.
Also, yeah, it would make me feel like I'm punching above my weight. So,
Right.
yeah. So
Okay.
they say, right, like bite off more than you can chew and then chew like hell. So
Mm-hmm.
I think, yeah, something which is challenging. Like I would love to play Mary Kom, Priyanka Chopra's character, and also Barfi mein Priyanka Chopra. Yeah, apart from other Kareena Kapoor style kind of pictures.
Right. Okay.
I would love
Last.
to do something.
Yeah. Okay. The lastly, just wanted to ask that one thing which you love about Mishbi's pair and one thing which you love about Cuckoo's pair, if you want to say.
Mishpir pair, Mishpir pair. I love the note joke that they have in a very cute,
Hmm.
subtle way.
Right.
You know, तुम चोर हो, तुम डाकू हो,
Right.
तो फिर ऐसे क्यों बिहेव कर रहे हो? Like
Right.
that. वो वाला पार्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
Right.
And कुकू का Cuckoo ka, I like everything. Cuckoo ka chemistry I like the most, like the humma kind of, intense chemistry. And
Right.
also the no joke, कि तुम समझते क्या हो अपने आप को? What do you think
Hmm.
you are? So
Mm-hmm.
वैसा वाला scene था.
Okay. Okay, Kaveri, thank you so much on this note, and for even continuing. Okay, someone has shared a very sweet comment for you. That I have, okay, Naresh Parth is saying that I have told my wife that if ever we are going to have a daughter, we are going to name her Kuhu. So I think that's very great. He has just commented. So anything for,
That's
yeah,
Thank you, Dereji. It's best compliment of the day, actually.
right, right, right.
And yeah, what I mean, this is an achievement of my character, actually.
Actually, yeah. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, Kaveri, for the wonderful live chat session, and hope I see you back again shooting and we coming on the set and taking the wonderful interviews.
Thank you so much, Kinri. Please take care, stay
Thank you so
home, and keep doing live sessions and keep entertaining people.
much.
Thank you for having me. It
Thank you
was
so much, guys.
love.
Pleasure is all.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye.